Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Talks. Today, I want to tell you a hard truth, one that might hurt a little at first, but it has the power to completely change your life if you truly understand it. The truth is this: nobody's coming to save you. Not your parents, not your friends, not your teachers, not even life itself. No one is going to magically show up one day and fix your problems, change your habits, or make your dreams come true. If your life is going to change, it's going to be because you decided to change it. And I know that sounds harsh, because deep down, we all secretly wish someone would come and rescue us. Someone who would understand us, motivate us, and make everything better. We dream of that one person, that one opportunity, that one miracle. But life doesn't work that way. Life is not waiting to hand you success. Life is waiting for you to get up and claim it. You see, the biggest trap most people fall into is waiting. Waiting for motivation, waiting for the perfect time, waiting for support, waiting for someone to believe in them. But every minute you wait, life moves forward without you. The people who make it in life are not the ones who had everything easy. They're the ones who stopped waiting and started working. There will come a day when you look around and realize that no one is going to knock on your door with a perfect opportunity. No one is going to give you confidence or discipline or peace. You'll realize that it's up to you to create it. That's the moment your real life begins. Because when you stop expecting help and start taking responsibility, you become unstoppable. Nobody is coming to tell you to wake up early. Nobody is coming to remind you to study. Nobody is going to force you to learn English, to chase your dreams, or to build your body. Nobody is going to drag you to the gym, or stop you from scrolling endlessly, or tell you to stop wasting your potential. You have to do it yourself. You have to be your own savior. Let me tell you something. The moment you stop expecting others to fix your life, your power returns. You stop being a victim and start being a warrior. You stop saying, "Why me?" and start saying, "Try me." You stop blaming your parents, your boss, your past, your luck, and you start asking, "What can I do about it?" That's the shift that separates dreamers from doers. Maybe right now you feel stuck. Maybe your friends don't support you. Maybe your family doesn't understand your goals. Maybe you've failed many times and feel tired. But remember this: nobody is supposed to understand your journey. It's your journey. And nobody is supposed to walk it for you. You must walk it yourself. Even when your legs shake, even when your heart breaks, even when no one claps for you. That's what strength looks like. Here's the truth: life is not fair, and it never will be. Some people are born rich, some are not. Some get lucky, some don't. But the most beautiful thing about life is that it always gives you a choice. You can choose to stay broken, or you can choose to rebuild. You can choose to complain, or you can choose to create. You can choose to stay the same, or you can choose to change. And those choices, not your circumstances, define your destiny. Let me tell you a small story. There was once a young boy who always complained about how unfair his life was. He kept waiting for someone to help him, a friend, a teacher, or a miracle. One day his old neighbor told him, "Son, nobody is coming to save you. You either stay down or you get up and fight." Those words hit him like a thunderbolt. For the first time, he realized he was the only one responsible for his life. From that day, he stopped blaming others and started working. Years later, he became successful. Not because someone saved him, but because he saved himself. That's what you have to understand. No one will do the work for you. You can watch all the motivational videos in the world, but until you take action, nothing changes. You can read 1,000 books, but unless you apply the lessons, nothing moves. Inspiration feels good, but it doesn't build results. Discipline does. Sometimes you'll feel lonely. Sometimes you'll cry quietly. Sometimes you'll want to quit. But remember, the road to success is supposed to be lonely. It's supposed to test you. The loneliness you feel is not a punishment. It's preparation. It's teaching you how to depend on yourself, how to trust yourself, how to believe in yourself when no one else does. When you realize that nobody's coming to save you, you stop wasting time. You stop waiting for permission. You stop expecting someone else to choose you. Instead, you choose yourself. You say, even if no one helps me, I'll still make it. And that mindset makes you dangerous in a good way, because nothing can stop a person who depends only on themselves. You might be thinking, but I don't have support. I don't have the right environment. You don't need it. You just need one thing, a decision. The decision to not quit. The decision to not waste another day. The decision to build the life you want, even if it takes time. Remember, heroes are not born. They're built in silence. When you're tired but you still keep going, that's where your power grows. When you're scared but you still take the step, that's where your courage grows. When you fall but still get up, that's where your future begins. Nobody's coming to save you. But that's not a sad thing. That's a gift, because it means you don't have to wait anymore. You have the power right now to save yourself. You have the power to change your story. You have the power to build the life you've always wanted. You just have to use it. And once you start taking responsibility, something magical happens. Life starts helping you. Opportunities appear. The right people show up. Your confidence grows. But it only starts after you take that first step. Life doesn't help those who wait. It helps those who act. So today, stop expecting someone to push you. Push yourself. Stop waiting for motivation. Be your own motivation. Stop waiting for the world to believe in you. Believe in yourself first. Because once you do, the world has no choice but to follow. Every time you wake up, remind yourself, this is my life, my responsibility, my story. No one else can live it for me. Every choice I make today is shaping my tomorrow. So I will stop blaming, stop waiting, and start doing. 6 months from now, a year from now, your future self will thank you for not waiting for anyone else to save you. Because you'll realize that the person you've been waiting for all along was you. So my friend, take a deep breath, look in the mirror, and tell yourself, I've got this. I am my own hero, because you are. You always have been. You just needed to believe it. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Talks. And remember, nobody's coming to save you, but you have everything inside you to save yourself. Take that first step today and never look back. Your time starts now.